Smalling Abbey mwenyewe, the final boss. Today I wanna show you some amazing ohangla. Number 1, tuko na Prince Sinda Nyarjaduong. Call Uncle Hedi Bilima Nindo, weka mate milangoni. Yes, let's go. Okay, number 3, we have somebody called Vicky B Matata Nyanango. Let's go. Okay, number 4, we have Uncle Eddie again, Nyathi Nyakach. Let's go. Yes, number 5, we have Papa T Obado Junyego. Let's go. Okay, number 6, we have Kenaja Kabondo Osiep Order. Let's go. Okay, number 7, we have Elisha Toto Paroganya Suba. Let's go. Osiepe. We have Aroji Chogo Menyathina. Let's go. Chogo more wenya diero ja solo na kelo banjona. Chogo more wenya diero ja solo na kelo banjona. Then Diao Clinton and Bisai will come on. James Upon Ramogi TV. Okay, number 10, we have Okoth Jarapogi Chien Kian. Let's go.
Sampedi unyo na wana tunge wendo yanti mageno yaro wela mama.
Okay, number 11, we have Apiti Jangoma Nyathini Chalagi Chiega. Let's go.
Nyathini Chalagi Chiega, Chalagi Chiega nyakeume, Nyane Chalagi Chiega, Chalagi Chiega nyakeite. Nyiri chalerete Apiti kate di anjolacho Todaki koso nyako Kate di anjolacho Yene daki koso nyako